Hello and welcome to another macro video. Today we're looking at the macro MiniFRedit, which provides a subset of FRedit's functionality, but it does so in a quick and easy way. So if we want to make some changes, we can go to the bottom of the file that we're going to change, and we can put a hash symbol in there, and then make sure we've got some blank lines below to put the items in. And we do need to make sure this is pure text here, that there's no styles or anything. So you can probably do that off the toolbar, but I'm not sure I know where. I tend to use this macro normal style and char for this, so I just do Control N to do that. Okay, so I've made sure that's just pure text there. So I look at my text. If I decide I want to italicize the et als, I can put et al there, and I can make that italic. And then if I run MiniFRedit from my keystroke, there we go. So it's changed the et al there, et al into italic. However, lower down here we've got the words et al, which are in the text as parts of other words, and so those are not changed. It's only where they're whole words. So if we were to put, suppose we wanted to highlight words ending in OUR, like our honour there, we can put hyphen OUR, which means only where that occurs at the end of a word. So if I give that a highlight, let's say, and run MiniFRedit, then it's added a highlight to those because they are the end of the word is OUR, but the beginning doesn't matter. What else can we do? Yes, we can actually remove these effects. If I have a line like that with an exclamation mark in front of it, and I run MiniFRedit, then it will remove the effect that it has created because we've got the exclamation mark at the beginning. Right, what else can we do? Well, I've got a few I prepared earlier, so if I just copy those and bring those down here, you can see the sorts of things that you can do with it. Suppose you're wanting to highlight ISEs and ISIs, you can do those. There's my OUR. We've got the EMENT, so for judgement with an E as opposed to judgment without an E. We can have words, prefixes, anti, pre and non, that sort of thing. Yep, that's about what it does. There are lots of different attributes that you can use, but just to show you an example of the sort of thing you can do, suppose we want a word like the word, just a minute, make sure that's there aren't any attributes on there, just clean that down to pure text. If we type you, because I know that word occurs several times in the document, if I make it highlight and I make it, let's make it bold as well, bold, and we make it bigger. So font size is one of the things that we can do. Suppose we do that and run MiniFRedit, then what we've got now is if we just close it down a bit, close the zoom down a bit, you've got an immediate picture there of where that word occurs throughout the document. So even if it's quite a large document, you can zoom down and get an idea of where that word occurs throughout. Okay, so just as a final summary, we've got the effects that we can produce with MiniFRedit are here. We've got bold, italic, highlight, font color, font size. Oh, there's one missing. There's font name as well. I can change the font name, and strike through, subscript, superscript, and underline. Okay, that's it. I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.